welcome back to episode 6. Today we're installing a roll bar. We've got this new roll bar that's arrived for us from MX5 Plus. We've got some instructions and we're going to get stuck into it. So I was just going to show you what the car currently looks like without a roll cage. So with the soft top down, that's where we're going to have to mount the roll cage. So this car has a glass back windscreen, so that might be in the way a little bit. But other than that, don't think it should be too hard, touch wood. Just gonna take the seats out, just to give us a little more room, and the fact that we're also gonna install the race seats soon, so we won't have to necessarily put them back in. So for the roll cage, we'll have to drill a hole in the plastic trim here for that second hole. But because our MX5 doesn't have a crossbar that goes across there, this isn't threaded, so it comes with a thing to put underneath it. But we'll just have to drill a hole into here. So the next step is to drill a hole as big as that circle there in both of the side pieces for the roll cage to mount into. So we're just putting the plates, I don't know whether you can see them, just there, those plates, they go into the back of the roll cage. So we're just checking whether, to make sure that they all fit. And then from what I can tell from the instructions, we just take them back out and put all the stuff that aren't currently in back in. So we're just going to take the roll cage out, so we can put like all of the plastic on the side here back in.
So now we finished. Successfully put the new roll cage in. We've left the seats out for now because that's going to be the next episode. Everything mounted in pretty well. There's some bolts in here that we couldn't have in there because it wouldn't slide in properly. But other than that, it was pretty drama free.
Okay, and that's a wrap. Roll bar is now installed. It's all worked out pretty well. Wasn't too difficult, so happy with the results, and hopefully we'll never get to find out whether it works. Well, that's the end of this episode. Thanks for watching again, and please leave a comment down below. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to hear more, and we'll catch you on the next episode. Cheers.